really the opportunity to make a difference to your community in a way that very, very few people will either ever think of doing it or have the opportunity to do it. Now, Food Bank, as is previously mentioned, we source food and we redistribute it to agencies that help people who are struggling to feed themselves and their families. It will come as a surprise to most Australians, or it does come as a surprise to most Australians, that there are 2 million Australians who are struggling to put food on the table for themselves and their kids. Who are we talking about in those 2 million people? We're talking about women who have had to flee their home because of domestic and sexual violence. They've taken their children and don't have the financial support to be able to provide food for them, or housing, or clothing, or education. We have a lot of homeless children who come from dysfunctional families. Parents have drug abuse problems, have long-term physical disabilities, and financially they just can't support their children. And many of these kids end up on the streets. So there's also the Indigenous population. 60% of the food that we source and redistribute goes to remote and regional New South Wales. So hopefully that gives you an understanding of the people that you're going to help. In accepting this challenge, they're the people that you're going to make a positive impact to their lives.